The world is once again standing at the edge of a dangerous turning point. In the heart of the Middle East, tensions are rising between Iran, the United States, and Israel. One wrong move could ignite a conflict with consequences far beyond the region. Let's explore the unfolding events, the strategies, and the global stakes at play. To understand today's situation, we must look back. The Iranian Revolution, decades of US sanctions, and Iran's nuclear program have created a complex web of hostility. This conflict did not appear overnight. It has been building over decades, growing more intricate with each passing year. Across the Gulf, in Syria, Iraq, and Lebanon, proxy wars have already set the stage for direct confrontation. US and Iranian military bases, along with Israel's strategic locations, make the region a tinderbox. One spark could escalate tensions into full-scale war. Modern wars are no longer fought only on land. Satellites, drones, stealth aircraft, and electronic warfare dominate the battlefield. Stealth attacks, radar evasion, and cyber operations are now just as important as troops and tanks. Warfare has entered a new dimension. The first wave of attack begins at sea. US warships launched dozens of precision-guided missiles, targeting Iran's radar sites and command centers. These missiles fly close to the ground, evading detection, striking the very heart of the enemy's defenses. Next comes the aerial strike. Stealth bombers fly undetected into enemy airspace, targeting underground bunkers, missile storage facilities, and critical military infrastructure. Fighter jets hunt mobile targets, such as missile launchers and supply convoys, ensuring no chance for retaliation. The final phase applies continuous air pressure. Fighter jets deploy anti-radiation missiles to neutralize remaining air defenses. Advanced aircraft gather intelligence, identify high-threat targets, and coordinate operations to maintain total control of the skies. Iran does not remain silent. Missile launches, air defense systems, and command centers activate to respond to the attacks. The country has both direct and indirect means of retaliation, demonstrating its capability to strike back despite overwhelming pressure. The impact of such a conflict is not limited to the region. Oil markets fluctuate, global stock exchanges react, and world leaders convene emergency meetings. A war here would threaten international stability, economies, and the peace of nations far beyond the Middle East. War brings destruction. In the end, no one truly wins. The only path to lasting peace lies in diplomacy, dialogue, and careful decision-making. Let this be a reminder that wisdom and patience are far more powerful than force. O Allah, protect this world from the destruction of war, and grant humanity wisdom and guidance. Amin.